Yeah, obviously you can't be satisfied with an ending like that. But at the same time, we knew we were going to struggle. Number one, kulang kami sa players. We've got 3 starters who are not playing. And number 2, this is our first tune-up game. Hindi kami nakapag-tune-up in the off-season because we opted to rest, recover. So this is the first time that we played with our import, with Darius Days in an actual game. As you can see, there's a lot to work on, and you know the game that we played tonight, it cannot match with the other teams in our group. So we just like I told the players before the game, we're a work in progress. But if we focus on the right things, just make sure that we put in some effort and focus on our defense, then we should be fine.
Coach, congratulations. Kung sabi yung timetable ng mga injured players nyo?
Tagal pa eh. I think si Calvin and Brandon, another 3 days, another 3 games na out sila. Si Jason, mas matagal pa siya. Kelly had to fly back to the US to attend to some personal matters. So he's indefinitely out as well. So you can imagine how difficult it is for the rest of the guys to carry it. Nakita nyo today, si Heading is nowhere near 100%. He's battling back spasms. That's why ganyan ang laro niya. But like I said, we cannot worry about who we do not have. The only thing we can control is who we have. So we're glad we got some real good games from Sean Kiteves, from Kim Orin, aside from this guy off the bench. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy, and then the contribution of our role players like Kevin Ferrer and Paul Varilla, very important, and of course Henry Galinato.
Coach, paano mo crucial you're giving time to kila Kitevis, kila Ferrer, how crucial will they be in these games when your big boys are covering?
Very crucial. Actually, yesterday after our practice, those were my last words. Sabi ko, magkakataloan itong game na to sa bench. Whoever is able to come up with better games off the bench. And ano ba yung bench points? Yeah, we won the bench points by 12. Talo nga kami sa starter points, but at least our bench came out and delivered. So yun, their roles are going to be very crucial.
Very congratulations din. You have 23 points tonight. Is this a sign na ito yung gusto mong output or performance for the whole duration of the third conference?
To be honest, yung last conference ko was a wake-up call and eye-opener na rin para sa akin. Kasi I've been playing in the PBA for 8 years and yun yung pinaka-worst performance conference ko so far. So sabi ko, hindi pwedeng ganun. So I need to step up and ibalik yung usual na laro ko. And dito mag-start yun sa conference na to, and good thing, good start yung ginawa ko, and sabi ni Coach hopefully tuloy-tuloy na, and the key in this conference for myself is to be more consistent.
You said you thank Coach Cortez and Reyna Batak for your time. TNT wins first game of today's double header.
Thank you.